Hello everyone and welcome to yet another K2 tutorial video. And this time, we would be tackling one of the key areas found in our stock info section, which is the valuation and validation part of it. So let's get into it right away. Let us use Apple's data as an example for today's video. So valuation is the process of determining the present worth of the company. Basically, here in K2, it would calculate the intrinsic value or IV. This would give you an idea on how much a certain company is worth more or less. To give a more accurate value of the company, our platform uses 4 different types of intrinsic value methods, which are seen on the left side of the table. They are dividend yield, price to book ratio, PE to growth and dividend, and price to sales ratio. The other 2 columns would be IV, or the intrinsic value that I have mentioned, and also MOS, or margin of safety. The MOS will show you the percentage of margin of safety between the intrinsic and current share price. Next, we head on to the validation section. Validation will focus more on analyzing past reports compared to the most recent report done to a specific company. Here in our platform, it would supply you with a rating of the performance on their latest quarterly report. What you can see here would firstly be the overall rate that can be seen on the upper left of the section. It would also show you the reports being compared. Then, there would be 5 categories we consider in checking the company's performance. We have liquidity, growth, financial health, profitability, and dividend. Now, if you want to see a much more detailed report than what you can see here, then all you have to do is press the Read Complete report and it would load up more information to let you make better trading decisions. Well, that's about it. These sections can surely give you an idea of the overall performance of the company in an instant. You can go ahead and check this one by yourself by visiting our K2 website. And we still have a lot of tips in store for you, so stay tuned on our next videos. See you!